Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can get this free skateboard avatar decoration on Discord. So this one is completely free, just need to watch a video for it, and it's only available for 2 months. But if you do have Nitro, you can keep it forever. It's just how it works with these avatar decorations, so don't come for me in the comments. It is free. If you go to Discover and you go to quests, you'll see this one. It says claim a Tony Hawk's per skater half pipe avatar decoration. You're going to select start video quest here, and you're going to select I'm human, and you're just going to watch the video. I'll be back when I finish the video. Once you're done, just select claim reward here. Select the I'm human confirmation and then select use now. And that is how you can get this really cool avatar decoration. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. I'm losing my voice. Bye.